waɗansu 'yan zariya wasu gwarzo, daga nan bikin ya wuce a cikin zo, ga ruwan kuɗi na zuba sun yi tozo, ango amarya don ku kowa ya so, farin ciki mu nuna babu gezo, da kwalliyar ku ta kyau ta yi cizo, da aure kuma raya sannar manzo, ni ko addu'a a gare ku na furzo.
To get this couple, Tunde and Fatima, to feed each other when they are not in the mood to eat. Straight up, she brings, he's not in the mood. He's not in the mood. You have to find a way. Look for his mumu button. Fatima, cover that wristwatch and feed this man. Bam. Beautiful. Okay, let's see how Tunde is going to make her eat. She's ready. Fatima, now play with the play because come like say this your verse now read. She's not in the mood. Ah, Tunde, remember when you first chased her? What was it you did? Come in.